Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unique Fashion. I am fine and I hope my all are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video, so girls the wait is over. Today bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed ideas, so please you must watch my video till the end. Beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern, cat coach, cat house ideas, beautiful cave ideas for cat lovers. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, very nice, beautiful ideas, different designing, mind-blowing ideas, different colors. Some are light color uses, some are dark color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work and very nice beautiful ideas. Hopefully you like this. Beautiful ideas, different variety, different style, different designing. Most demanding collection, most likely. These beautiful ideas for cat lovers. So please you must watch my video till the end. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me.